Welcome to KlinKode PayRules, the Shopify app designed to effortlessly hide specific payment methods at checkout. To get started, navigate to the All Rules page and click on the Add a New Rule button. We've prioritized simplicity in our design, ensuring you can implement PayRules instantly without wading through extensive documentation. Enter a title for your rule. Next, select your desired payment methods. If you don't see the one you need in the drop-down, simply add it manually in the Additional Payment Methods field. Remember, if you're adding more than one, separate them with commas. Now, specify the minimum and maximum cart values for when you'd like to hide the cash on delivery option. Each field comes with a tooltip that appears when you hover over it, offering quick insights into its function. After setting up your preferences, click Save to activate the rule. Let's test it. We'll add a $10 product to our cart. As expected, the cash on delivery option is now hidden, since the total is less than the $20 threshold. Increasing our cart value to $30 makes the cash on delivery option reappear, demonstrating the flexibility of our rules. Finally, pushing the cart value over $50 hides the cash on delivery option again, perfectly following our set rules. We encourage you to explore KlinKode PayRules for yourself. Should you have any questions, our comprehensive documentation and support team are ready to assist you via email, WhatsApp, or Facebook. Best of luck and happy selling.